Hi guys, welcome back to Colette's Corner. My name is Colette, your one and only. It's been a minute, hasn't it? Well, I just wanted to say I've been busy. Work has me busy, life has me busy, taking care of me, taking care of my health. I do want to make videos for you guys, but sometimes I'm just tired. I come home and I eat something and I fall asleep on the couch or some such story. But I just want you guys to know that I am here. I'm still watching your videos. The handbag ladies, I still watch your videos. I don't comment because when I watch on TV, again, I cannot comment via the television. So I'm here and I'm seeing everything y'all are posting and I love it. So here's the thing. I'm going to make a deal with y'all. I'm going to try to give you guys at least one video, if not every week, every 2 weeks. I'm going to dedicate myself to one video every 2 weeks. So that's twice a month. And give you guys time to catch up because I have a lot of new stuff. There's something behind me that I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Anyway, it's a wall. Idiot. Anyway, my bed is there. Yeah. It's same old me, same old. So I want to be able to do this for you guys because a few of my dear friends have been asking me to come back and do makeup videos. So I'm going to try to do those. I'll do the reviews when I can. And I'm promising you guys that I will do 2 videos per month, one every 2 weeks. This way, you know, I'm not gone for such a long time. Now, the reason I'm here today, you see, I'm still in my uniform. I wanted to just do this before I do anything else and get myself busy. So without further ado, the reason I'm here today for this video is not a makeup look, even though I wore makeup to work today. It was just simple 1, 2, 3 done. I'm talking about and let me tell you something. For those of you who like to watch my videos that are not makeup related, when I review something and then you in the comments talking nonsense about, oh, why you have on makeup and you're reviewing a pillow. It's my right. I can do that if I choose to. Okay? I don't have to, you know, I can put on my makeup if I want to. I'm not in bed. I'm not laying in bed. This is not that type of video. I'm just reviewing something. Okay? So it shouldn't matter whether I have a full face of makeup or not, or if my hair is combed or not combed. What I want and need you guys to do is to listen to the information. And don't tell me anything either about, oh, it don't work for me. If it don't work for you, just don't work for you. Haul ass and go somewhere else. Okay? Don't come over here with your nonsense. You will be blocked. Okay? I've blocked a few of you. So, thank you very much. Watch, take what you will from it, and keep it moving. Now, I got all that off my chest. So let's do this. A few weeks ago, more than a month ago or so, I was sent a pillow to review. Now, I'm not getting any money, but I partnered with this company that reached out to me. They did send me more than one email asking me if I'd like to try the pillow based on a review that I have of another pillow that I bought from Amazon. Now, this pillow is not, I repeat, this pillow is not from Amazon. I did not purchase this pillow with my own money. It was sent to me so I can use it and give my thoughts about the pillow. Okay? So the only benefit I've benefited from this pillow is that it was sent to me for free so I can review it and give my honest opinion, and so you shall have it. Now, I did an unboxing video, which is the last video posted on my channel. So this is the follow-up, and I will also let the company know that I reviewed the pillow. Now, as you can see here, I have a case on my pillow. So here's my pillowcase. It matches the sheet on my bed. See, if I can turn that way, you can see the sheet on the bed, right? Now I'm going to take it out of the case. This one is from Sidney Sleep. Look, it says right here, Sidney. If you can see that clearly, it says Sidney Sleep. And let me tell you something. You see this outer thing? It's a big pillow. I'm going to hold it up so you can see it. She looks like this, okay? And you can tell if I come closer. See that? I have been using this pillow. All right, it took me a few days after I unboxed it. I let it rest a bit, and the first set of stuffing that I took out of it, the filler, it was giving me a little bit of pain at first. And one of the things they do say when you read the instructions, see the unboxing video for more information. I did take out stuff from it, and I had to go back and take out more because I found it to be a little bit uncomfortable because of the way my neck is. I don't have a long neck. So I had to customize it so that I benefited. And this pillow is totally customizable, guys. Totally customizable. Right here, it has a little bit of red, a little bit of pinkish dye coming through because the color in my hair. My hair was wet the other day. I was laying down, and I washed my hair and I lay down. So you can see the hint of pink there. Maybe it'll come out when I wash it, because here zips open. See? This is a case, the outer case for the pillow. All right, so this piece is washable. So you take her out, and I can throw this in the washer. All right, this is your pillow. So now notice the stuffing is in there, and it's very soft, as you can see. So when I put her down like so, when I lay down, my head is cradled right here. I can turn on my side and my face will hit that side. If I turn on my right side, my face is hitting that side, okay? But as you see, I put a pillowcase on it because that is my preference. Some people might want to use it just with this covering. Because I'm weird and picky, I like to put a cover on it. So I like that. But again, the pillow is customizable. How have I benefited from it? Tremendously. I have constant neck pain, and that's not gonna go away. I have to, sometimes in the morning when I wake up, my neck is stiff and I can hardly go that way. For me, just to do this, I feel some pain there, and for that side. When I don't do my neck rotations, I do have pain. So I have to keep my neck flexible like that. Sometimes do extension, flexion, and extension just to help. So my existing condition causes me pain. If I use the wrong pillow, I have more pain. This Sidney Sleep pillow has afforded me the comfort, some comfort and relief. When I wake up in the morning, I'm not in as much pain as if I use another pillow, you know? If I sleep on just the bed wedge, I have a wedge for my pillow. Let me show you my wedge. When I need to elevate myself, this is the wedge. I can actually put this on top of the wedge, so I'm elevated and I'm cradled and my neck is happy and I fall asleep and I sleep fine. So my sleep has been better. My pain has been considerably less. And let me tell you this, it works. The makers of this pillow, I don't know, they figured something out that no one else has been able to figure out. Now, like I said before, I did not purchase the pillow. Based on a previous review, I was asked to try it out based on, because of my needs. And I said yes. They sent it to me. I customize it and I'm happy with it. I am happy with the pillow. I've had a few nights where maybe 1 or 2 nights, depending on how much I have going on, if I'm exercising, because I'm not always consistent with the neck rotations. I should be, but I'm not. I also have a posture pump I'm supposed to use nightly. I don't always use it, but that's me. That's a me thing. So when I do have pain, sometimes I find while I'm sleeping, I'll pull it from under me because my neck is not tolerating so well, but it is not the pillow. Again, I repeat, it is not the pillow. It's from my existing condition. And at some point, early morning, I'll reach for the pillow, pull it back, settle myself in, and I'll sleep like a baby. So what I'm trying to say is, I love this pillow. I love this pillow. You see how, so imagine laying flat on your back, your neck is cradled like that, and you can be a side sleeper because I am a side sleeper. Even when I do the face, the belly thing, if I'm having a restless night, because maybe I'm overstimulated for that day or extremely exhausted and my body just won't settle down, if I lay on my tummy, face on the pillow, head this way, I do fall asleep, and then I will write myself, sometime during the night, the head goes back and I'm good. So should you get the Sidney Sleep pillow? It's up to you. I love it. I'm not going to use the word I like it. I'm going to say I love it. This is a pillow that, yes, it's big, but I would travel with this. If I'm going out of town and I need my pillow, because I cannot use hotel room pillows. I sleep without a pillow when I go to the hotel. When I go to other people's house, rarely, but I don't sleep on their pillow. I rather sleep without a pillow. But this is a pillow that I would gladly pack. If I'm going to Orlando, throw it in. I have not been since last year, but I plan to take this with me when I go out of town because I really like this pillow a lot. I love it. Like I said, it's afforded me quality sleep. I wake up in less pain. Twice I remove stuffing, and I have a bag because the company sends you a little baggie, so when you customize your pillow you can take more out and stuff it in that. I absolutely love it. I love it. So thank you, Sidney Sleep. I really like this pillow. So for those of you who have neck problems, whether it be temporary or you're a long-term sufferer as I am, then try the pillow out. You might just like it because, like I said, I tried it and I love it. I don't know how much it is, to be honest with you. I will Google the website, the Sidney Sleep website, and in the description box I'll provide information, and I'm also gonna find out from the liaison who reached out to me and let me, ask about the pillow and sending it out to me and everything. I'm going to find out from her if they can provide like some kind of code for you guys or something, because it is a good pillow. It is a good pillow. It would be nice if y'all can get a little code, to help out, because I think y'all will like this pillow. So for those of you who are searching for a pillow because you have neck issues, give this one a try. Again, it's not a sponsored video. I'm not being paid. I got it for free and I like it. That's pretty much all I gotta say about the pillow. What can I say? I like the pillow. It works for me and I want to keep using the pillow. until maybe something else come along. But at this point, I would not go back and repurchase an Elvirus or whatever the heck the other ones. I tried 2 from Amazon that were good, but this is better. Okay, the ones from Amazon, they're good, but this is better. This is better. This is the one I've been using for the last few months. My Amazon ones, I've thrown them out. That's how serious I am, because I've bought the expensive $100 and something one and threw it out because I couldn't return it. So this is good. I like it, and I will keep using it. And also, did I mention this? The thing that's, the case is washable. You can actually wash this also and put it in the dryer. It comes with instructions, y'all. It comes with instructions. So you will not be at a loss if you purchase this pillow, because it does come with instructions. And there is a customer service number in case you need help. You can call and someone will be happy to assist you. That would not be me, but based on my use of the pillow, I like the pillow, and I'm happy that they thought to send it to me and have me try it out, because if I were to buy this, if something were to happen to this and I needed one, I would actually spend the money and buy it. That's where I'm standing right now. I'm standing on that. I would pay for this pillow. And that being said, I like it. If you have any questions, anything that you think I've forgotten to mention, or if you have additional questions that my brain didn't formulate, please feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below. I will try to find out if I can get a coupon code for you guys or something of that nature, and I'll also try to see if I can get the pricing and put it down there for you all as well in the description. All right, and again, it's the Sidney Sleep. I don't know if they have additional pillows. This is the one they sent me. This is the one I know about. So don't go looking for it now and come back here and ask me about another type. This is the one they sent me. Okay, so I'm gonna reach out and gather some more information and let you guys know, but for now, this is where we're at. I like the pillow a lot, and thank you, Sidney Sleep, for considering me and sending it out to me to try it. I absolutely like it. I appreciate your confidence in allowing me to use your product and review it, and that's all she wrote. Thank you. I'm not being paid, just a simple thank you, because the pillow is good. It's helped me. All right, so there's that. That's all I want to say. That's all I have for you guys. I'm going to give myself some time. This is July. I'll be back at the end of the next 2 weeks to do a makeup video. So for those of you who want to come over here and watch, I will make sure all roads lead to Colette's Corner for that. And I might throw in a few reviews about other things that I've been playing with. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Again, leave your questions below, and enough love. Take care of yourselves and your family, and walk good. Bye.